with the questions that was related with simple numbers. Okay, I have explained you how to deal with different type of brackets. Okay, for simplification, in this question we are doing using fractional numbers. Okay, so look at the inside bracket. The inside bracket is a simple bracket. So first we will solve that part. So what are we going to get? 8 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5. So first of all, you multiply the numerator because you see there is no common factors between numerator and denominator to get cancelled. So we have to simply multiply the numerators and denominators together. So 2 into 4 is 8 by 15, and at the same time we have removed this simple brackets also, and then into this answer will be multiplied with 15 by 16 here. Now we have closed the curly bracket plus 2 outside, and then you have this square bracket. Now the main thing is we have to solve the inside bracket. So inside bracket here is the curly bracket, can you see? So you can see that we can cancel out the common factors. So 15 and 15 will get cancelled out very easily. Okay, so I will just cancel out this 15 and 15 here. Even 8 and 16 can be cancelled out. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. It can be easily cancelled out. So after that what we got? 8 plus this will be inside the curly bracket you have 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Actually you can remove the curly bracket also because already we have solved this part. So even you can remove the curly bracket now at this point of time. So 1 by 2, and here outside you can see plus 2 is there. So gradually as we are solving, we are removing the brackets. Okay. Now you have to solve this part. So 8 plus, you have to see the denominator will be common denominator 2. 2 divided by 2 1. 1 into 1 1 plus 2 divided by, okay, nothing is there means it is by 1. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. I hope this part you have understood. Now next what you will write here? This will be 8 plus, you can remove this square bracket, it will be 5 by 2. You can see that 5 by 2 is what kind of fraction? It is an improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. So what we get? 8 plus 5 by 2 can be written as 2 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, yes. 5 by 2, yes or no? This is the mixed fraction. Now you can add the whole number part, that is 8 plus 2, what you get, that is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, and then half. So the final answer that we got here is 10 and a half. Okay. 8 plus 5 by 2, we have converted this improper fraction into mixed fraction. That comes to 8 plus 2 and a half. Now whole number part we added, 8 plus 2, 10 and half. So mixed fraction we got 10 and a half. Now look at this question. This question is also on fraction only. You can see 13 and a half minus, there is a square bracket, and within the curly bracket you have 5 and a half plus simple bracket 5 minus 3 by 4, and then curly bracket close, and plus 1 square bracket close. Okay. Now first of all you have to solve the inside bracket, that is the simple bracket. Okay. So this equal to 13 and half minus, this is your 5 and a half plus, you can use a rough column for solving 5 minus 3 by 4. Okay. So I have drawn a rough column here. Okay. inside the rough column I will be solving 5 minus 3 by 4. So we will take the common denominator, that is 4 here. 4 divided by 1, 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 minus 3. That is equal to 17 by 4. Okay. So we have to write here 17 by 4, and at the same time we have removed the simple bracket also. And now we have to solve this curly bracket. Okay, please continue writing the remaining part in the same way. Okay, we solve the brackets per brackets and we go on removing it. Okay, so the length of the question also becomes shorter. Now what we will do? 13 half minus, now we are going to solve this part. 5 and a half plus 17 by 4. Okay, so here we will do 5 and a half plus 17 by 4. You just see 5 and a half plus 17 by 4. We can convert this 5 and a half to improper fraction. What we get, that is 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2 plus 17 by 4. That is equal to, we are going to put 4 here. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 into 11, 22. Plus 4 divided by 4, 1. And this is 17. 22 plus 17. How much it is? 22 plus 7 is 29. 29 plus 10 is 39. So it will be 39 by 4. Okay, 39 by 4. So we have to use this here. So this square bracket will be there, and curly bracket we can remove, and we can write here 39 by 4. Outside there is plus 1. Now square bracket close. Now we have to solve 39 by 4 plus 1. 39 by 4 plus 1. So what do we get? Take common denominator, that is 4 here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into 39, 39 plus, again 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 into 1, 4. So 39 plus 4 is what it is? 43. Okay. 43 by 4. So let us write here. So that is equal to 13 and half minus 43 by 4. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now what we can do? We can convert this into improper fraction. 13 to the 26. 26 plus 1, 27 by 2 minus 43 by 4. Okay. On solving this, what we get, that is equal to, we will take the common LCM, common factor, that is 2 and 4. It will be the LCM, that is a common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, common denominator becomes the 4 because the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 27, 54 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into 43 is 43. So 54 minus 43. So that comes as, how much it is? 4 minus 3, 1, and 5 minus 4, 1. That is 11 by 4. When we convert it into a mixed fraction, what do we get? What do we get here? It is 4 2 is 8. Just a moment. So in mixed fraction, what you will get? 4 3 2 is 8. Then 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 becomes the answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we have solved. Okay. Now let us do one question from that is question number 10 from the same exercise. These questions are based on decimals. Okay. So same process. First we will solve the inside bracket and gradually move to outside brackets. Okay. Now 107 plus square bracket open, curly bracket open, 40 plus 0.5 inside the bracket what you have, it is 40 plus 10, and what is 40 plus 10? It is 50. Now you see before this bracket there is nothing there, means no symbol, I mean no operation is there. So by default we take it as multiplication. Like for example, we also write as, see here, suppose we write 2 inside bracket 3. This is equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. You have to remember it in this way. So here also what we will do, we will write 0.5 into 50 and simple bracket remove, curly bracket close, into 0.5 and this is square bracket again closed. Now we will solve this part. So 107 plus what we get here, on further solving what we get here, 40 plus 0.5 we can write it as 5 by 10 into 50, 5 by 10 into 50, curly bracket close, into 0.5. Now here what we will do, 10 and 50 can get cancelled out very easily. 10, 5 is a 50, it has got cancelled. Okay, now what you will get, 5 into 5, that is 25. So 107 plus square bracket open, inside curly bracket what will you write? It will be 40 plus 25. Okay, now you will close the curly bracket into 0.5, close this square bracket. Okay, now that is equal to 107 plus inside this square bracket what will you write? 40 plus 25 is 65. 65 into 0.5, close the square bracket. Okay. Now what we will do? Now the next part will be, we have to solve 107 plus 65 into 5. Otherwise we can multiply 65 and 5 together and we will get a decimal number. So let us do it in the rough column. 65 into 5. That is 5 5 is 25, 6 5 is 30 plus 2, 32, 325. So that is 325. But you see here point is there, 0.5 is there. So from the right hand side we will take a point and we will place it here. After point 1 digit is there. So you will place the point here. So it comes to 107 plus what you will get? It will be 32.5. So after that we will just simply add it. So it comes to what? 7 plus 2 9, 0 plus 3 3, then 1. 139.5 is the answer, final answer. So I hope students you have understood this part very clearly. So please take down this and similar type of questions that you will get, please do them. Okay, thank you.